B.Ed curriculum and as well as in M.Ed program. So in our college we have B.Ed as well as M.Ed. So in both the curriculum we have mental health and mental hygiene. So where we deal with only the conceptual aspect of, we don't have any in-depth training for mental health for our students. So, for a B.Ed student, since they are going to be the teachers and they are going to deal with the adolescent students or like any age group of students, they need a real training in mental health programs. They are not able to deal with their own mental health in these 2 years. Okay, so they go through a lot of difficulties, stress, and all. A proper training is required for these trainee students in those aspects. It need to be addressed very practically to upskill teacher trainees for the future purpose. Nowadays, the things are difficult for them once they enter into the teaching field. Sometimes, like some of the teachers, they even drop in between because when they can't handle their own pressure. For the mental health training, identification is really a problem. To understand that real cause and addressing that is very important. Okay, so they're like both of them even no, they lose their temper or else they lose their mental health, the student as well as the teacher. Very necessary for the teacher to understanding of mental health, the knowledge of mental health literacy for teachers. They have the limited information, whatever is been mentioned in that textbook. So only that factual information they have. Other than that, they won't try to gather the information or do any kind of researches. This is the reality. So where like when we have a elaborate module or curriculum, these topics been added, then I can say that to some extent, no, and where it requires some practical aspects to be dealt. So then I think that our teachers will be able to understand much more about mental health and related aspects.